Hi friends, good morning everyone, and I hope you all are safe and healthy at your place. In last video, we have seen about the direct indirect speech, the basic rules, kinds of sentence. Before that, we have gone through with that chapters like chapter number 1 from your first book, content book, A First Flight, chapter number 1, A Letter to God. Then one more thing we have seen, that two poems which is written by Robert Frost, A Dust of Snow, Fire and Ice. Now we'll move further with your another textbook, supplementary. And from that supplementary textbook, our first chapter is chapter number 1, A Triumph of Surgery. Whenever we go through with that chapter, at that moment the first word which comes in our mind, that triumph. What is the meaning of triumph? Triumph, that means a one type of victory or achievement. Victory, that means as we people are knowing कि हमें कुछ अच्छा मिल जाता है. That means when we got everything or when we won, कि हम लोगों कोई एक गेम है या कुछ भी ऐसा है जब हम लोग वो अचीव कर लेते हैं, हमारा टारगेट पूरा हो जाता है, it is called victory. And here according to the chapter, the triumph, that means victory. Now I am going to introduce the characters of this chapter. Here we are having three main characters in our chapter. That means character number 1, Mrs. Pumphrey. Mrs. Pumphrey was a rich woman. Second, very interesting character, Tricky. Tricky is a name of dog, and Tricky is a pet dog that Mrs. Pumphrey is having. And the most important character of our chapter, Mr. Harriet. Mr. Harriet is a veterinary surgeon. Veterinary, that means a one type of animal doctor. So here three main characters are there. Mrs. Pumphrey, that means Mrs. Pumphrey is a rich woman. She is having a one dog named Tricky, and that are most interesting character number 3, Mr. Harriet. Now we'll move ahead with our chapter. That in this chapter, the writer is going to share very interesting story. That Mrs. Pumphrey is a very rich woman, and she is having a dog named Tricky, and she loved the dog, that means Tricky, very much. She is taking too much care, like uska khana, about Tricky's food, about Tricky's shelter, about Tricky's that cloth, everything. She is taking too much care, and she is very much concerned about the health of that Tricky. कि ट्रिकी उसके लिए एक डॉग से ज़्यादा एक फैमिली मेंबर जैसा है, a one type of partner, and that's why she is taking too much care of that Tricky, कि उसको हर रोज अच्छा अच्छा खाना खिलाना, उसको वॉक पे ले जाना, उसकी अच्छी तरह से ख्याल रखना, उसकी मेडिसिन का, उसकी टेबलेट, उसके कपड़े, उसके सीजनल वाइज उसका शेल्टर यानी रहने का इंतजाम करना, सब कुछ सीजनल वाइज उसको अच्छे अच्छे कपड़े पहनाना, ये सब कुछ. Sometimes she is giving the Tricky very nice food, and just because of that, actually it is one type of bad habit, but Mrs. Pumphrey is having a lots of money, so most probably she is taking too much care of that Tricky, and that's why just because of that habit, the Tricky became overweighted and very too much healthy. We cannot say healthy, but fatty. One day, suddenly that Tricky is suffering from malnutrition, and suddenly he stopped eating everything. Even he don't want to go for a walk. Normally he don't want to. That means each and every time he just ignore to stand, ignore to take out or just come out from his bed, that means his own trial alien. So that just because of that Tricky's health, now Mrs. Pumphrey is too much concerned. Okay, now anything, what happened, anything will have to do. So what happened with my Tricky? Why Tricky has ignored everything? Why Tricky has stopped to eat everything? So he just called her family doctor. She just called her family doctor, Mr. Harriet. Mr. Harriet, actually Mr. Harriet is a family doctor of that Mrs. Pumphrey. So he knew the whole situation. He knew the relation between that Tricky as well as that Mrs. Pumphrey. He knew that why this kind was happened, this things was happened with that Tricky. That Mrs. Pumphrey just take Tricky to that hospital or to that Mr. Harriet. When Mr. Harriet observed the Tricky, he said that actually I want to do some surgery of that Tricky. So do one thing, you just give me 15 days. Within 15 days, your Tricky will be fit and fine. I guarantee. First, that Mrs. Pumphrey is not ready. But just because of the health of Tricky, in other side, she also wants that her Tricky will be fit and fine as soon as possible. So she agreed. And she has given that Tricky over there to that hospital of Mr. Harriet. Mr. Harriet is an animal doctor, and Mr. Harriet in his hospital, many normal dogs are there, like stray dogs are there. When के यहाँ पे कोई भी अगर हमारा एक सिंपल एग्जांपल लेके अगर हमारे क्लास में सडनली कोई नया स्टूडेंट आ जाता है, so all the remaining students are feeling uncomfortable. Suddenly, even that new guys is also feeling uncomfortable. Here, for that Tricky as well as the street dog are having the same situation. They both are feeling uncomfortable with each other. So on the very first day, the Tricky was set in a corner without eating anything. Second, that means first day was completed. On second day, slowly and gradually he tried to just communicate and try to involve the other street dogs. Slowly and gradually, now he just enjoying the overall atmosphere of that hospital. 100 times in a day or many times that Mrs. Pumphrey that called Mr. Harriet and asked him about the health of Tricky. When that means Mrs. Pumphrey got that now Tricky is able to eat something or able to drink something. So she started to send good foods like juice, breads and some vegetables. She has already sent over there for Tricky. And as she is knowing that for the good health and for the good blood, that means alcohol is important. So wine, she also sent branded wine for that Tricky. But in the other side, that Mr. Harriet has not given anything to the Tricky. Because उसको ये था कि मुझे ये उसकी जो गंदी आदत है वो आदत उसको छुड़ानी है. And only he just gave him, that means Tricky, to some water as well as whatever he is having. कि उसके पास जो भी वो जो नॉर्मल डॉग्स को जो खाना खिलाता था वही खाना अब वो Tricky को देने लगा. And then days goes on and on, days passed, 10 days, 15 days, और ये 15 days में जो Tricky था, जो ओवरवेट था, फैटी हो गया था, उसमें से वो थोड़ा बहुत दुबला पतला हो गया. अब वो थोड़ा फिट एंड फाइन हेल्दी लगने लगा. 15 days में मिस्टर हैरियट ने बहुत कुछ एंजॉयमेंट कर लिया. अब उसको भी एक आदत हो गई थी कि वो भी मिसिस पंपरे को मना नहीं कर रहा था कि नहीं अब ये फिट एंड हेल्दी हो गया है तो अब कुछ खाना मत दे दे. बट सडनली दैट मिसिस पंपरे केम टू हिज हॉस्पिटल and she observed when that Mrs. Pumphrey came and the Tricky also saw that my owner came. So he ran to her and opened that means Mrs. Pumphrey opened the door of that car. वो अपना कार का दरवाजा खोलती है, अंदर देखती है, मिसिस पंपरे उसके साथ बहुत प्यार से बिहेव करती है वो, और वो बहुत अच्छी तरह से बहुत खुश हो जाती है। पहले तो वो सरप्राइज होती है कि अरे यार मेरा टिक्की इतना दुबला पतला हो गया, लेकिन वो दूसरी साइड पे ये भी खुश है क्योंकि वो बहुत आज हेल्दी लग रहा है, उसका ओवरवेट था वो चला गया है, फिट एंड हेल्दी दिख रहा है। सो शी फील्ड टू मच हैप्पी एंड शी थैंक्ड टू दैट मिस्टर हैरियट टू गिव बैक अ फिट एंड हेल्दी ट्रिकी टू हर। उसकी वजह से आज यहाँ पे दोनों साइड पे दोनों को बेनिफिट हो गया। मिस्टर हैरियट जिन्होंने कुछ काम ही नहीं किया था, कोई सर्जरी नहीं की, कोई ऑपरेशन नहीं किया, कुछ भी नहीं किया है, दो द ट्रिकी बिकेम फिट एंड हेल्दी। यहाँ पे जो मिसेस पंपरे को एक अच्छा सा फिट एंड हेल्दी ट्रिकी चाहिए था वो भी हो गया। यहाँ पे ट्रिकी को भी एक बेनिफिट मिल गया कि जो उसकी बैड हैबिट्स थी वो सब कुछ छूट गई। अब उसको वो नॉर्मल स्ट्रीट डॉग जैसा एटमॉस्फेयर अच्छा लगने लगा, वो एंजॉय कर रहा था और उसकी वजह से अब वो थोड़ा और अच्छा हो गया पहले की तरह। सो जस्ट बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन दैट ऑथर हैज गिवन द टाइटल द ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी। पूरे चैप्टर में कहीं सर्जरी की ही नहीं है, कहीं ऑपरेशन किया नहीं, लेकिन सिर्फ ये एक कॉम्बिनेशन यानी कनेक्शन की है, सारी सिचुएशन को कनेक्ट किया है और दैट्स व्हाई दैट राइटर हैज गिवन द टाइटल अ ट्रायम्फ ऑफ सर्जरी। As I have explained that this chapter in our online session, and again I am uploading the video of this chapter. Still, those who are having any kind of doubt related this chapter, whenever we'll have online session, at that moment will solve your doubt. I hope you understood whatever I explained. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.